Hi class, this is your teacher Miss Baca, and today we're going to be using Story Jumper. Now what you're first going to do is either sign up, but if you've used this website before, you can just click login. Which I have used this website before, so I'm just going to click login. This is a fun site that you're going to be able to create your own books with. So the first thing you're going to be doing is create a book. I already have my example ready for you. Since the topic is, my heroes, today we're going to be discussing, all of our own heroes, and you're going to be able to make your own book about your hero. Now I'm going to hit edit since it is my example. It's already finished. Now my hero is my father, and we got many options here. I chose the gray. So here you can create and choose your patterns. So this is going to change your patterns. Very fun. I chose gray for my book this time. You can choose your different colors. Very fun. Another thing that you can work on, if you go over here, you see props, and you can choose any prop here. Just double click, it goes on the page. You can make them bigger, smaller. If you don't like it, you can always take it off. This page offers a lot of things, as you can see in the next few pages that I do. I have right here, the whole page is a picture. Now with that, you have also these right here. What a fun thing. You can even create your own, which is what I did with my family right here. So giving it a scene will create the whole page as whatever you choose. It's a lot of fun. Whenever you need any type of text, you can either use any of these boxes right here that I have, or you can just create your own because it does give you the option automatically where you just type, or you could just use these fun little ones. Another option that you have is just uploading your photos to the site. Down here you can easily add your voice, and it will record your voice to narrate your story. It's a very fun website, very interesting. As you can see, I've used it with the book. Now today you do have the dedication page, which is going to be right here. I dedicated it to my father. Then you have all these options. See, look at a little sticker. That's for my parents. So once you just type, you add your pictures, add your storyline. Very fun site. Then here's the end. And up here you're going to say save and exit. So don't forget that your story is going to be about your hero. Don't forget to add your voice to read your story, and that there are fun ways for you to edit your pages so it can be an interesting book. And by the end of the day, whenever you're done, don't forget to save and exit. And then we're going to watch and read all of our own individual stories by the end of this week. Good luck, class. Can't wait to see what y'all have to say. Thank you.